Alright, so I already ran into my first little issue, which I wanted to document real quick, because the shit happens. Everything isn't always as it goes. But I thought my fan was coming on when I was flipping my fan switch, but I was still hearing the fuel pump. And that's because my switch has a positive output, of course, and then it goes into the relay, which puts out a positive output towards whatever you're powering, but the way I have it wired up. But in this case, I grabbed the power from the ECU for the fan, which happens to be a negative trigger. So the ECU puts out a negative signal to power the fan. So basically I had this positive feeding the negative. And that's going to do nothing. It's just going to cancel itself out and do absolutely nothing. So, in order to figure that out, I tested a bunch of stuff, and the switches were working, and I was getting the right input coming into the relay and getting the right output going out of the relay, but I was getting power constantly at the fan wire and wondering what was going on. And at the fan wires, both are positive. So that's the problem. Yeah, so all I'm going to do is take the constant that goes into the relay and ground that, and that'll create a ground trigger. So I'll have positive feed coming in from the switch, and then the ground will be grounded and send a ground signal to the fan switch. So I'm going to do that real quick, and it should work flawlessly, but we'll see. All right.